channel. In this tutorial, I will show you how to turn any photo into amazing 3D street art with Vividi. So Vividi is a free AI-powered creative platform that will help you to create any AI content like maybe AI talking photos, avatar videos, product showcase, and many more. And in here, we will use this tool to create creative content, turn a photo into amazing 3D street art. And okay, let's get started. First, just open Vividi AI like this, and then next, just go to Image Studio, choose AI Designs, upload your photo like this, and then next, just write your prompt. Before, I already prepared my prompt like this. You can just copy my prompt, or if you want to create your own prompt, just feel free to create it. And if you want to copy my prompt, just feel free to copy this prompt. And you can also just tweak it as you like. And then next, just choose your AI model, and then choose your ratio. For example, I want to choose this one, and then next just click submit. And okay, let's just take a look. Okay, like this. This is the result. Your photo will be transformed into a 3D street art masterpiece like this, but I think it's a little bit weird, but yeah, you can try it and then just take a look for your results. And if you want to try it, you can just use the link in the descriptions or pin comment to access this tool. And okay, that's it. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching and see you.